Every day, our warfighters put their lives on the line. Whether defending our freedom by air, land, or sea, they depend on their equipment to work flawlessly. And the people that make their equipment rely on TT Electronics to be the right fit. And that's key, because if the mission isn't shared from the very beginning, nothing else matters.
Sometimes your electronics manufacturing partners aren't the right fit, and you can feel it. Whether it's missed deadlines, a lack of understanding, or a lack of commitments. At TT, what makes us different is that we seek to understand what you're trying to do. We listen to your needs, and we work together to develop a solution that is the right fit.
We get that your reputation is on the line. We know you can't just trust any partner. And we also know that there are dozens of companies out there trying to get your attention right now. Building your products is actually the easy part. Where you'll really see the difference is in the way that we build your trust.
Whatever challenge you put into our facility, we will meet it and we will exceed your expectations.
TT Electronics is uniquely positioned to service customers globally. Our focus on low-volume, high-mix electronics manufacturing, combined with our global outreach, makes us the right fit and the right size to deliver the solutions that you need. Together with our defense partners, we deliver mission-critical solutions that are built off of years of defense electronics manufacturing experience. This is what the right fit looks like.
So the right fit customers for TT in this market are ones that understand the benefits of an outsourced strategic partner who can help them in the design for manufacture phase, who have the requirement for high mix and low volume capability through their different products they have in their range, and are looking for someone that can support them for the long term to help them deliver an excellent product and service to their customers.
When you're working with a partner that will go the distance, anything is possible. And with TT, there's no one in the business that works smarter or harder than we do.